Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Dorbar Synrai jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka bakhatwe ka jala kan Sdang haka arplai Tarik Nailar bat kan kut haka laipo Tarik Nailar. Ka jing penwet ya kisngi ban penong ya ka Dorbar Synrai la shim haka jing alang jong ka Business Advisory Committee jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka bala khle de ulampang u Thomas A Sangma. Habakaran shakila pathai kubor ulampang ulaong baka BAC kala munjur ya kisngi ban penong Dorbar hak ba kisngi ban shong Dorbar kilong sansi nadu ka arplai Tarik Nailar hadu laipo Tarik Nailar.
The business BAC meeting was held today, and it was unanimously accepted. The draft calendar that was submitted. So the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will be convened on the 23rd of August. Will continue till 30th of August.
So, how many days about the government done?
I think it's we have compared the last year's session also, and accordingly we have decided to have 5 working days.
Habakali shapang gajing penkala yu nong yalam kaliang persya ha Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ulampang ulaong bayakan kamat don kanu gajing Synrai bat nakaliang jong uladep pen pauteng hak bede bat kani. Kumta ulaong baladadon kanu kabadai ban Synrai le se kan sadan kham hadien. Hadu menta kiseng ki badan hakaliang persya ki klempat pha kanu gajing tho shi ulampang ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ nak benda ban kam ya ke kerdan nong yalam kaliang persya hadien baka kongres kebabat ya ke kerdan kaladan satang saungut ki MLA namar kajing e no kam usaling e sangma kumu MLA hadien baula syajiat kumu MP ke Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Hadu menta unong yalam kaliang persya udai MLA ka Kongres na Miliam uba Roni Vilingdo Henry ka seng liang persya ka bakhambun pan kadai ka All India Trinamool Congress namar ka dan sangut ki MLA.
So you will go with the same opposition leader, or will there be any change?
That is not, as I said earlier, I'm only talking about the assembly session. That will be decided later on. Nothing so far had come up. As you can see from today's, I think, news item also, I had already given my view, and that view still remains. No change.